under my thumb. The girl who once had me down. Under my thumb. The girl who once pushed me around. It's down to me. The difference in the clothes she wears down to me. The change has come. She's under my thumb. Ain't it the truth? Under my thumb is a squirmy dog who's just had her day. Under my thumb, a girl who has just changed her ways. It's down to me. Yes, it is the way she does just what she's told down to me. The change has come. She's under my thumb. See, it's alright. Under my thumb, Siamese cat of a girl. Under my thumb, she's the sweetest pet in the world. It's down to me. The way she talks when she's spoken to down to me. The change has come. She's under my thumb. Take it easy, baby. Yeah. It's down to me. Oh yeah, the way she talks when she's spoken to down to me. The change has come. She's under my thumb. Yeah, it feels alright. Under my thumb, her eyes are just kept to herself. Under my thumb, well, I can still look at someone else. It's down to me. Oh, that's what I say. The way she talks when she's spoken to down to me. The change has come. She's under my thumb. Say it's alright. Say it's alright. Say it's alright. Take it easy, baby. Take it easy, baby. Feels alright. Take it easy, baby.
Growing up in a slum neighborhood where the crime rate is amongst the highest in the nation is not easy.
But I think in this instance, I would have to be out of my mind not to recommend that you be sent to the asylum for the criminally insane at Mattawan.
There is danger. There is danger.
What we sell are hidden truths. Our territory is the mind. Our merchandise is fear.
There is danger.